Even though it's a tiny little screw and you're probably not gonna miss the rafter, still, this is not your roof, this is your customer's roof. Having this here just gives that added layer of security and lets the installer know, I can just proceed and go through this. I don't have to think about, oh, did I get all of it or not? These are the parts that we're talking about here. Why don't you tell us what you have here? Hey everyone, this is Nick with Forme Solar. We've got Ivan Rodriguez. He is our account manager from Unirac, who actually happened to stop by, and we decided to ambush him and ask him a couple questions.
Hey, can I ask you something? You ever notice that if you're gonna ask me a question, give me time to respond. Unless you're asking rhetorically, in which case the answer is obvious, yes.
Like Nick said, my name is Ivan Rodriguez. I'm the SoCal account manager for Unirac and here to help Nick with any questions that they may have.
So we're super excited that Ivan's here because he also brought along 2 products that we're already using in the field and we just happen to love. However, we never really talk about this stuff because most customers don't see it, even though it impacts their installation greatly.
Yeah, so this is our SM Butyl attachment. It requires no flashing, so your guys on the roof aren't going to be prying the shingles, trying to hit the roof, trying to find the rafter. This is just a peel and stick application.
And to be clear, this is the part that goes right onto the roof tile that ultimately the rails are going to mount on as well. So this actually attaches to the rooftop. You shoot this into the rafter, right? And typically, prior to the invention of this part here, installers would have to flash and seal these prior to putting them down and bolting them in. Now with this Butyl built in with just this thick pad, we don't have to worry so much about a guy who's trying to knock out all of his rails and he may forget to flash 1 or 2 of those. It can happen. Ultimately, that leads to roof leaks. When you have it pre-built like this, it just means that they can move faster through the installation and you wind up with a more secure roof for the homeowner as well. So we love these and our guys swear by them now.
This does the same thing for conduit runs. Comes pre-applied with the Butyl.
I mean, for us, mounting conduit on the roof also means needing a way to strap it down and keep it secure, right? So when you have a bracket like this, you know that you're going to be securing it to the rooftop. Having this here just gives that added layer of security and lets the installer know, I can just proceed and go through this. I don't have to think about, oh, did I get all of it or not? It just changes things. Just to provide some context so that folks can see how we're actually using these attachments and why we're so excited about it. This is basically a mock-up of how they're used on a flat rooftop or a rooftop in general that will show you exactly why we like it that they're self-sealing like this. So if you can kind of explain, Ivan.
Yeah, so our conduit supports come pre-applied with the Butyl, peel and stick on the roof. And this is what it would look like to run your conduit. Just 1 screw in there. It's sealed automatically and no flashing, no prying shingles. So it makes it super easy for the installer.
Now in the past, the installer would have to squeeze out some mastic or, sealant, some kind of chem link that you're gonna squeeze in here. Hopefully you did enough. Hopefully the coverage was enough. And then you're gonna shoot your bolt to secure that. And hopefully you got that straight as well. It doesn't sound like much, but when you've got dozens or hundreds of these that you've got to do throughout an installation, it's really easy to kind of start to overlook things and things start to kind of blur a little bit. So having this there is really like an insurance policy for both the installer and more importantly, the homeowner as well. And the same thing applies to these roof mounts as well, right?
Right, so as you can see here, the self-sealant Butyl will seal itself once the attachment is down. Again, no flashing, no pilot holes done with this. It's just peel and stick.
Again, your install happens faster and you are secure knowing that each piece that you put down is already well sealed. You don't have to think about, did I do it? Did I do enough? It's already there. So we love this. We want to thank Ivan for stopping by. Unirac has always been a great partner for us. Ivan, over the past few years, has also been a great partner to Forme Solar. You're very consumer-minded as well as installer-minded, and we love that. So we're just looking forward to continuing the growth and seeing what other new products you've got out there. But thank you for stopping by.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Yeah, no worries.
If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.